Morning!
Okay. Bago po natin simulan itong ating operational briefing, pakapatay lamang po yung mga radyo, cellphones, para hindi po tayo ma-distract sa ating briefing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you po.
Water po.
Para sa ating incident objectives, regarding sa ating umaalog incidents, ito po yun. Meron din po kayo sa inyong IAP, ICS Form 202. So ito po yun. Number 1, ensure the safety of the responder and general public. Letter B, conduct search, rescue, retrieval for trapped victims in various barangays within the operational period. C, evacuate internally displaced persons at assigned evacuation centers within the operational period. D, clear debris from roads and damaged areas within the operational period. And letter E, suppress the fire incidents sa mga barangay na maliit, mapait within the operational period. F po, restore lifelines to affected barangays within the operational period. And G, ang last po natin, provide medical assistance to all responders at the designated medical aid station within the operational period po ulit. So para naman po sa ating situation update, tinatawagan po si Sir J.R. Lasibal, ang ating Operational Section Chief. Sir?
Okay, good morning. Ito po yung current situation update dito sa bandang baba, sa Barangay Masama, Maasin. Nagkaroon po ng lindol. Ito po yung nahit na masyado. Tapos nagkaroon po ng road blocking dito sa Barangay Maliit, Malaki, Masama. Tapos sa bandang itaas, nagkaroon din po ng fire dito sa Barangay Mapait, Maliit, at saka meron pong incident na may nawawala po, na-confirm po na 10 casualties, tapos 100 po yung sugatan.
Thank you, Sir J.R. Para naman po sa ating weather forecast, maaraw naman po bukas sa ating operation period, around 36 degrees Celsius with light winds. Okay, tinatawag ko po ulit si Sir J.R. Lasibal para sa ating operational assignment. Sir?
Okay, dito po tayo sa ating mapa. Hinati po natin sa dalawang division, Division A, Division Alpha, and Division Bravo. Tapos, asan po dito ang task force ay Task Force SRR Leader Sir Yas Stevens. Task Force Leader SRR2, Sir Elin Duran. Task Force EVAC 1, Ma'am Marieta Mendoza. Task Force Med 1, Elmer Tamayo. Task Force Resto 1, Samira Lam. Task Force Clear 1, Jimina House. Task Force Clear 2, Jamal Williamson. Then sa Division B naman, sa bandang taas, Task Force Fire Suppression 1, Sir G.B. Cambay. Task Force Fire Suppression 2, Mark Rabadon. Task Force Fire Suppression, John Garcia. Task Force Clear number 3, Sir Patrick Panto. Task Force EVAC 2, Jennifer Garcia. Task Force SEC 1, Eddie Mendoza. Okay, so present po lahat. Ito po yung magiging assignment nyo sa Division A naman, kay Task Force SRR1, kay Barangay Masama. Dito kayo kasi dito yung maraming apektado sa earthquake. Tapos SRR2 naman sa Barangay Maasim. Tapos meron po tayong evacuation area dito. Tapos meron po tayong Task Force road clearing, kasi may road blocking dito kayo si Task Force clearing 1 tsaka clearing 2. Clearing 1, clearing 2. Tapos meron po, in case po na may aftershock, meron po tayong safety site location, dito po matatagpuan. Meron din pong nakaantabay na ambulansya sa ating staging area kung kinakailangan. Tapos dito tayo sa bandang Division Bravo, sa bandang taas, kasi may fire. So, si Task Force Fire Suppression 1 dito sa maliit. Task Force Suppression 2 dito naman. Si Task Force Suppression number 3, tutulong na naman po kung kinakailangan alin sa dalawa. Meron din po tayo dito evacuation area. Yun lamang po.
Thank you, Sir JR. Para naman po magbigay ng mensahe para sa ating safety, tinatawagan ko po si Ma'am Mary Lee Espelita. Ma'am.
Hello po, good morning sa ating lahat. Our responsibility is to ensure the safety and well-being of all responders and public during the operational period. Atin pong tandaan, safety is shared responsibility. Wear PPEs at all times. Walang re-responde ng hindi nakasuot ang ating mga PPEs. Always work in body-body system. Responders must be careful of aftershocks because they can cause additional collapses, trigger new hazards, and endanger both victims and response team during ongoing operation. Stay hydrated po. Be alert at all times. Mag-ingat po tayong lahat.
Thank you, Ma'am Mary Lee. Okay, para naman po sa ating logistical concerns, tinatawagan po si Sir John Ray Pimo, ang ating logistical chief officer. Thank you po.
Good morning. Good morning po sa ating lahat. John Ray de Guzman para sa ating logistical status update. Our primary objective remains to support field operations with all necessary resources, personnel, equipment, supplies, and transportation, ensuring continuity and sustainability throughout the mission. So here is our quick overview para po sa ating logistic status. Para po sa personal support, all assigned teams have been accounted for. Meals, water, and sanitation unit are operational and all staging areas. Any special requests or issues should be routed through your respective supervisors to us promptly. And para naman po sa ating transportation, ground transport is fully coordinated. All movements of designated roads as outlined in our movement plans. We have one ambulance, makikita po natin yan sa ating attached copy ng ating map sa inyo pong mga IAP. Meron po tayong Division A and B, meron pong dalawang ambulance dyan, tig-isang ambulance na naka-standby po. And for our equipment and supplies, PPE, tools, and mission-critical gear have been distributed to all divisions. Replenishment caches are staged at Division A and B. Refer po ulit kayo sa ating attached copy ng ating map sa inyong mga IAP. And if you're experiencing shortages or malfunctions, submit a logistical request form immediately. We have teams on standby for rapid assessment. Para naman po sa ating communication and IT, radio batteries and communication kits have been tested and rotated. There are designated radio frequency channels in both Division A and B. If you're experiencing dead zones or signal issues, report them to our communication liaison for alternate arrangements. At para po sa ating medical and safety, med stations are located in Division A and B. Ayun po, nandito po ang ating MAS sa Division B2. Ayan, nandito din po ang MAS 1 sa Division A. Medical logistics are fully stocked and medical transport support is on standby. Please make sure your teams are aware of evacuation sites procedure in case of injury or exposure. In closing, the logistics section remains ready to adapt as Conditions change. Our success depends on real-time communication. Keep us informed and we'll keep you supplied. Thank you very much and keep safe everyone.
Thank you, Sir John Ray. Para naman po sa ating budget or financial concerns, tinatawagan ko po ang ating Finance Section Chief, Sir Kyle Taasan. Sir.
Thank you, sir. In regards po sa financials po natin po, make sure po natin lahat po tayo ay nakapag-time in na. Lahat po ng members po natin nakapag-time in. Another one po, make sure po natin ang ating mga receipts po natin. Huwag po natin itatapon po yan. Yan po ang ibibigay nyo sa akin para sa inyong mga reimbursements po. Other concerns po financially, lapit nyo lang po sa akin after ng operation briefing po natin. Yun lamang po, thank you po.
Thank you po, Sir Kyle. Para naman po sa ating information plan and updates, tinatawagan ko po si Ma'am Evangeline Lagman.
Thank you, Sir JB. So good morning po sa ating lahat. This is Evangeline Lagman, your Public Information Officer of Umaalog Incident. So I'm here to provide you with updates on the current situation. So we are currently responding to Umaalog Incident. The incident is located in Santa Taniaga. Our teams are working to provide essential needs for all aspects. So we will provide regular updates on this incident every 2 hours. If you are in the affected areas, please follow the instructions of local authorities. So if you have any concerns or questions, please contact me at 0949-936-7376. Thank you for your attention. Stay safe and stay informed.
Thank you, Ma'am Evangeline Lagman. Para naman po sa ating updates tungkol sa cooperating agency, tinatawag niyo po Sir Carlo Libara, ang ating liaison officer.
Good morning po. Each barangay now has a designated contact person for smooth communication. For any updates or issues, please contact the ICP. Coordination channels are both open.
Thank you, sir. So para naman po tapusin at magbigay ng message, tinatawagan ko po ang ating incident commander, Sir Prince Cortez.
Ayan, unang-una po sa ating lahat, maraming salamat po sa pagdalo ninyo ngayong araw. Kung wala po kayo, hindi po natin mabubuo itong incident na ito. Malaking incident po itong hawak natin ngayon. Marami po tayong kailangan gawin, kaya hindi ko na po patatagalin. For everyone po na nandito, inaasahan po namin ang inyong coordination, lalo na po between your teams and others, para po magawa ang mga trabaho na naka-assign at na-lay out sa ating objectives. And for any concerns, nandito lang po kami para ma-approach ninyo. Maraming salamat po at mag-ingat po tayong lahat.
Thank you po, IC. At doon na po nagtatapos ang ating operational period. Maaari nyo na pong buksan ang inyong mga cellphones and radios. At magkita-kita na lang po tayo sa susunod na operational briefing. Okay po? Yung mga team leader, sa breakout room na lang po kami pahinga bago po kayo ma-deploy. Yun lang po. Salamat po.